You can do it. Yay!
Did you get a picture?
I got it on film. I'm videoing it.
Don't.
Sound like he said, hurry up, Mama. You copying Granny.
Don't.
You are silly. Yay, Jacob. Yay.
Boom.
You just tickled yourself. You just silly.
Come on, do it again.
Yay! You're such a smart boy. You like copying your granny, huh? You crack yourself up, don't you? You still hungry? Lasagna. Say thank you, Miss Krista. Yeah, get it all in your hair. Patting your head like Emma taught you.
Cross your arms.
Yay! I'm gonna have to send that video to your granddaddy. He will think that is funny. Say please. More. Very good. And you cross your arms. Yay!